Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace crankshaft position sensor on Ford Fiesta, including the ST model MK7, ST and regular Fiesta will be very close procedure as well. So if you have Fiesta guys from 2008 to 2017, please subscribe. We have more than 200 videos taking this car apart. So far we probably uploaded close to 150, so please subscribe to the channel, our channel Auto Repair guys. And more electrical videos could be found on our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Please check it out guys. You mean a lot to us if you subscribe. So this is the crankshaft position sensor right here. Stay with us and we'll show you how to get to it and how to remove it. Okay, so next what we need to do on the serpentine bed on the bottom side, there is one plastic that we will need to remove. Okay, with Torx 30. Okay, and we're talking about this plastic right there. So it has only 2 screws. Okay, one is out, I'm gonna show you in a second. Second one coming out. Okay, that's what they look like. You can see just like that. 2 of them. You can even use a flathead screwdriver, but Torx is preferable. Now we can go ahead and pull it out. Okay, and you can see we can get better access to the belt pulley here on the side of the engine. So once we remove that plastic, you can see right here, this is where the crankshaft position sensor is located. With 8mm socket, we need to remove that bolt. It's not very complicated procedure at all. Okay, bolt is almost coming out now. Okay, pretty long bolt. Now, you grab the sensor, you pull it out. Okay, straight out. And now we need to disconnect the wire. Okay, this thing you need to lift it up here, okay, on the bottom side. You lift it up and you pull the sensor out. Okay, let me show you quick. Okay, this thing right here, okay, needs to go up and you pull it out. And this is guys the crankshaft position sensor. So that's how you get to it, that's how you remove it and replace it. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe, let us know what you think. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.